imagine while I'm this small, why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Hello, today I'm going to be doing a room tour. I've never done a room tour before. I'm excited. I think you guys have seen most of my room in all my other videos, but I'm gonna do an official room tour. I've been wanting to do a room tour for a while, but my room was never really how I wanted it to be, you know? So after I painted my room, I got lots of new furniture, decorated it, I think it's finally ready for an official room tour. Yeah, let's get started. So, when you first enter my room, this is what you see. So, I'm going to start with this corner and then make my way around my room. So, here's my light switch. Down here I have some Sephora bags. Oh my gosh. And here I have all of my perfumes, body sprays, etc. A fake little succulent plant, and all of my extra makeup brushes, and like the ones that I don't use very often. And then here, and then I have this candle that smells really good. I got this for Christmas, I believe. Above that, I have my Polaroid camera, and then some of my books because I love reading. And then above that, I have even more books, some extra Polaroid film, and then some boxes from my previous phones. Here's where I keep my hair tools, so my straightener, my curling iron, my blow dryer. I have a garbage. Now, here is my desk. So this chair, and actually most of my furniture is from Ikea except for my bed, I think, actually. So I have this university booklet thingy. I have a Himalayan salt lamp, just a cute little baby one, another fake plant, and then some moisturizers, and then a Morphe setting spray, and then my more frequently used makeup brushes, and my eyelash curler, and makeup sponges. Here's my mirror. And then this desk actually has outlets on it, so this is where I plug in my string lights and my Himalayan salt lamp, and where I charge my camera batteries. And then I have some pens and pencils and markers and whatever. Another candle, this really cool neon cactus, which, how do I turn this on? Ta-da! And then I have my glasses, cloth, and spray, just some allergy pills, and Kleenex. And then here, I don't even know what this is. It's a little basket with a bunch of very random stuff in it. There's some gummies, a few hats, and just literally random stuff I never use. And then that is my suitcase and a cute little pair of boots. Above that, I have some more shelves. So this is where I keep my sunglasses, another fake little succulent plant, my scissors, and then I have a set of fake acrylic nails in there if I ever wanted to do my nails on my own. But it takes forever and I'm not the greatest, so I just get them done instead. Here I have even more books, and then this little glass jar thingy with some bath bombs in it. And on the very top I just have all my little hand lotions and hand sanitizers and a few random things. Above my desk I have this wall grid where I keep some Polaroid pictures. I kept a few tickets from my Europe trip just because I thought they were really cool, and this is where I keep all my necklaces. In my desk, this side is completely random stuff I just throw in here, and then this is my frequently used / everyday makeup. These drawers are where I keep lots of my clothes, so like here is sweaters, t-shirts, workout clothes. I'm pretty sure there's actually nothing in that drawer. Jeans, leggings, pajamas, and then in here is more random stuff, and then sweaters that don't fit in that drawer. Here I have some old Polaroid pictures. Most of these are like 3 or 4 years old, but they look really cute and I like them a lot there. On this little bed post thing, I just have some scrunchies that I got for Christmas, and then this bag. Hi, this is my shirt. I love it. This is my mirror. It's quite large, and this is actually my closet as well. So in my closet, I just keep the rest of my shirts and sweaters and stuff like that here. My shoes, oh my gosh, that's really bad. Extra room decorations for like Christmas, you know, stuff like that. That's my laundry basket. On this post, I have another bag and a hat. And then here I have this cute little photo collage that I got for my birthday a year or two ago now of me and Willow. This is my bed. I like to have lots of blankets on it because I like to be really cozy, so I have 2 regular fuzzy blankets there, and then that is actually a heated blanket because I'm always frozen and I love it so much. I have a tiny little window because my room is in the basement. In my window I have these 2 little lights. They both turn on, so that one's a cute little blue star, and then that one's a cloud that actually changes colors. And then in this corner I just have my filming equipment, so my lights, my tripod, that kind of stuff. On the other side of my bed I have my nightstand, so I have my books that I'm reading at the moment, this little container thing that I keep jewelry I don't really wear in, and then some random stuff here, so like moisturizer, a charging cube, that kind of stuff. Another big lotion, another fake little succulent, and then my alarm clock, and my phone. And then on my nightstand here I just have this quote that I put here when I was in a really bad place, but I kept it here just because I really like it, and honestly try and live by it. And then in these 2 drawers I just have more random crap in the first one, and then in this one I keep my bras, socks, underwear, stuff like that. I have this cute little wicker chair with those pillows, and that's a scarf, but I really like just leaving it there because I think it looks cute. And then under my chair I actually keep my walking boot because in grade like 6 or 7 I twisted my ankle really bad and had to wear it for like 4 months, and they just let you keep it after. And then that's my workout bag for when I go to the gym. And then here I have all my other bags, sweaters, jackets, stuff like that. Above that I have another wall grid where I keep some more Polaroids, and then I kept a movie ticket and then a few plane tickets for my Europe trip. Beside that I have my Ikea drawers. I wanted the Alex drawers, but they didn't have them when I got this, so I have this one, but it's still really cute and has lots of space. And on top I have some fairy lights that I have yet to put up because I don't really know where to put them. A few notebooks, another candle, a terrarium of these things, some eyeshadow palette boxes that I kept just because they're cute, some chalk, another fake plant, and then a cute little chalkboard. Yeah. And in these drawers I keep most of my makeup and then some skincare stuff, and if you guys want, let me know if you want to see a makeup collection video because I can do that. Beside that, here I have another little desk, also from Ikea. On here I have my record player, which looks like this, my records, and then a poetry book and another notebook, and then I have my lava lamp, a fake little tree thing, another candle, and then a little change collector that says saving for a rainy day. Underneath that I have this blue backpack and then this little basket that has old school work, extra paper, and more random crap. I have my camera bag, which has all my extra camera stuff in it, and then some ankle weights and resistance bands for working out. And then lastly, on the back of my door, I just have my towel and a house coat. I believe that is all for my room tour. So that is it for my room tour. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any video requests, please leave them in the comments. I'm always open to ideas, and make sure to follow my social media. I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.